pole shots to take a look at. Rene Rodriguez in the number 3 spot as DJ Weber drops to 4th. 1.9 seconds behind Newby. Newby's got to get things shaken out. He's got to shake things out of his head, lay the chase back on LeBlanc, or he is going to find trouble out of Rodriguez here. There's Rene Rodriguez checking in. Another consistent 201.9. We could see a real battle for that final podium spot come right down to this final turn.
Holy shnikes. That's all I can say about that, because this guy right here is so consistent. I cannot believe what we're seeing right now.
Rene Rodriguez running another consistent 201.073. Again, final turn is going to be the final deciding factor. I only hope it ends up like this right now. Hey, this is going to be exciting.
He is Rodriguez and black.
There we go, final turn.